List object has no attribute map in Pyspark. I am new in Pyspark. I write this code in Pyspark. But I get this error. How do I perform a map operation specifically on my data in Pyspark in a way that allows me to filter my data to only those values for which my condition evaluates to true?
Map filter out to data works. Map takes exactly one argument, 2 given. Looks like you redefined map. Try __ built-in _ dot map filter out to data. Or use a list comprehension.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.